The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. I am here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now this video that I'm doing is just a quick video to keep you posted and let you know what's going on. And with that, I have a video that I'm going to leave with you, my viewers and subscribers. And that video had been recorded by a camera from a surveillance system within the Kingston and St. Andrew corporate area that is known as the Jamaica Eye. Alright, now according to information that I got about this video, it is said that this video shows when members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, or you could say the police, had arrested 4 persons, right? And according to information that I got about the incident, it is said that these 4 persons had been arrested because the police believe that these persons are involved in a series of robberies within the corporate area within recent times. You get me? It is said that this incident happened on the 8th of July 2020 at the intersection of Mullines Road and Washington Boulevard, that is within the parish of St. Andrew, that is of the country of Jamaica. And according to some information that I got about this incident that happened, it is said that a firearm had been seized. Alright, now please bear in mind that there might be more information about this incident that happened, but I'm just explaining to you according to some things that have been said about this incident on social media and other places as well. Alright, now I'm going to leave this video with you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can have a better understanding as to what I'm talking about. But before I leave this video with you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Alright, and if you like how I present my videos to you, you can let me know in the comment section. And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. Now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.